Hello viewers, and welcome back to Simple Bappa, the channel where I take you across the world to explore the finest hotels, unique destinations, and unforgettable luxury travel experiences, all explained in a simple, honest, and heartfelt way. Today, I am here with one of the most special videos on this channel. We are stepping inside a hotel that is often called the #1 hotel in the world, the extraordinary Capella Bangkok. Nestled along the banks of the Chao Phraya River, Capella is not just a hotel. It is an experience crafted with soul, tranquility, and the highest spirit of hospitality. In this video, we will explore its stunning rooms and private villas, the world-class dining experiences, its iconic infinity pool, the award-winning Auriga Spa, the magical Riverside atmosphere, and the incredible service that has earned global recognition. So sit back, relax, and join me, Simple Bappa, as we dive into the world of Capella Bangkok, a serene sanctuary of pure luxury. Your Capella Bangkok journey begins the moment your car turns into its peaceful Riverside entrance. The city of Bangkok is vibrant and full of energy, but as soon as you arrive at Capella, everything seems to slow down. The elegant driveway, surrounded by greenery and soft golden tones, instantly sets a calming mood. The doors open, and you're welcomed by the warm smile of the Capella staff, along with a refreshing welcome drink and a cool towel. But what makes this welcome unique is the presence of your Capella culturist, a personal host who will take care of your stay with deep attention to detail. Their graceful greeting alone tells you that your experience is going to be meaningful, personalized, and extraordinary. The lobby, a sanctuary of quiet luxury. Capella Bangkok's lobby is not huge or overwhelming. Instead, it is intimate, sophisticated, and incredibly serene. Soft lighting, warm textures, and minimalist Thai decor create a space that feels like a luxury home rather than a hotel lobby. As you walk toward the open river-facing lounge, the Chao Phraya River reveals itself like a moving painting. The gentle sound of water, combined with elegant music and the fragrance of essential oils, gives you the first taste of Capella's signature style, quiet luxury with a soulful touch.
By the river where the evening breeze whispers softly through the trees, Capella's lights begin to glow, and dreams wake up in a gentle flow. In this palace by the stream, Bangkok feels like a quiet dream. When the doors open wide, peace and luxury collide. And in this haven full of grace, every heartbeat finds its place. Oh, Capella Bangkok, shining in
Rooms and suites, a blend of art, comfort, and nature. Capella Bangkok offers several categories of rooms and suites, each designed with remarkable precision and warmth. Whether you choose a riverfront room, a premier riverfront, a river suite, a veranda suite, a Capella suite, or one of the ultra-exclusive villas, every space is crafted to feel both luxurious and deeply comforting. As you enter the room, the first thing you notice is the floor-to-ceiling view of the river. The Chao Phraya seems close enough to touch, creating a natural connection between indoors and outdoors. The room's colors feel soft and soothing, with custom-designed furniture, delicate fabrics, and handcrafted decor pieces that celebrate Thai artistry. The bed is incredibly plush, the linens silky smooth, and the lighting is perfectly adjustable with simple touch controls. Every detail, from the curated books, the artisanal tea set, to the personalized welcome amenities, feels intentional and thoughtful. The bathroom is a highlight as well, featuring a marble bathtub facing the river, a spacious shower with rainfall settings, premium toiletries, and heated flooring that heightens the sense of comfort.
Where the river carries stories in the silver light, every moment feels like magic, drifting far, and walking through it all is simple Bappa, our star. From the balcony I watch the tide, city lights dancing side by side, soft as linen's golden air, every touch feels warm and rare. Morning sun and breakfast glow, where gentle memories start to grow. Smiling butlers call your name. Every day they light the flame. Service made with heart so true, only Capella feels like you. Oh, Capella Bangkok, you're a dream so bright, where every corner warms the soul with quiet light. In your beauty shines a melody from afar, and singing through it gently is simple Bappa, our star. By the pool at sundown's kiss, the world slows down in perfect bliss. Stella's colors paint the air, soft cocktail stories everywhere. Spa's calm whispers heal the day, and riverboats drift miles away. Oh, Capella Bangkok, in your dreamy skies, every moment feels like wings that softly rise. Bangkok's heart beats like a golden guiding star, and standing.
The villas, the ultimate private retreat. For those seeking the highest level of privacy and luxury, Capella's private villas are a masterpiece. These riverside sanctuaries come with a private plunge pool, a lush garden, indoor and outdoor living areas, and a 24/7 personal butler. The moment you step inside a villa, you're transported to a world where time slows down. The sound of the river, the movement of the water, and the greenery around you create an atmosphere of pure serenity. The villas are spacious, elegant, and deeply romantic, perfect for honeymooners, special celebrations, or travelers who want to experience Bangkok from a peaceful, exclusive corner of the city. Many YouTubers and luxury travelers consider Capella's villas as among the best in Southeast Asia. The famous Capella Butler Service. One of the hotel's most exceptional features is its butler service, provided by the Capella Culturist team. Their role is not just to serve but to create experiences that are meaningful and perfectly tailored to your preferences. They help you plan your stay even before you arrive. They arrange your meals, spa reservations, boat rides, room customization, private surprises, and more. Whether it's a birthday, an anniversary, a proposal, or simply a moment you want to celebrate, the culturists know exactly how to elevate it. Their emotional intelligence and attention to detail make the stay unforgettable. It feels like staying with a team that genuinely cares for your happiness.
In that moment is simple Bappa, our star. Capella's light, the river's song, a place where every heart belongs. Simple Bappa softly.
Dining at Capella, a culinary journey. Capella Bangkok is home to world-class dining experiences that celebrate creativity, craftsmanship, and authenticity. Côte by Mauro Colagreco is a refined Mediterranean restaurant created by one of the world's most celebrated chefs. The tasting menus feature seasonal ingredients, artistic presentation, and flavors that surprise and comfort at the same time. Every dish feels like storytelling on a plate. Phra Nakhon, the signature Thai restaurant located by the river, is where guests enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a stunning river backdrop. The atmosphere is relaxed and elegant. The dishes reflect traditional Thai flavors prepared with modern finesse. Dining here makes you feel connected to Bangkok's rich culinary heritage. Stella, the vibrant dessert and cocktail bar, turns evenings into a glamorous escape. The handcrafted pastries, floral cocktails, and moody ambience create a perfect date night atmosphere. The iconic Capella breakfast, often ranked #1 in Bangkok. Guests often say that Capella serves the best breakfast in all of Bangkok, and it's easy to understand why. Their breakfast is a hybrid of à la carte and buffet, offering endless freshness and an artistic presentation in every dish. From fragrant Thai rice porridges, dumplings, and classic egg dishes to freshly baked pastries, exotic fruits, cheese selections, and cold-pressed juices, everything feels elevated. What makes the experience even better is the riverside setting. Soft morning light, gentle wind, and calm water views turn breakfast into a peaceful ritual rather than a meal.
By the river where the evening breeze whispers softly through the trees, Capella's lights begin to glow, and dreams wake up in a gentle flow. In this palace by the stream, Bangkok feels like a quiet dream. When the doors open wide, peace and luxury collide, and in this haven full of grace, every heartbeat finds its place. Oh, Capella Bangkok, shining in the night, where the river carries stories in the silver light. Every moment feels like magic drifting far, and walking through it all is simple Bappa, our star. From the balcony I watch the tide, city lights dancing side by side.
Auriga Wellness Spa, a temple of healing. Capella's award-winning Auriga Spa is one of the most calming spaces you will ever experience. Treatments here are inspired by ancient healing traditions and the phases of the lunar cycle. The spa suites are private, dimly lit, and beautifully scented, helping your mind relax instantly. Whether you choose a deep tissue massage, an Ayurvedic ritual, aromatherapy, or a rejuvenating facial, the therapists ensure that every touch is meaningful and therapeutic. The spa's atmosphere creates a sense of timeless peace. The Infinity Pool. A riverside oasis, Capella's infinity pool sits directly along the river, surrounded by palm trees, elegant cabanas, and beautifully landscaped greenery. The view from the pool is spectacular, long-tail boats passing by, golden light reflecting on the water, and the calm breeze from the river. Unlike many city hotels, Capella keeps the pool environment quiet, exclusive, and uncrowded. Sunset time is magical here, as the sky changes colors and the city lights begin to sparkle.
softest linens, golden hair. Every touch feels warm and rare. Morning sun and breakfast glow, where gentle memories start to grow. Smiling butlers call your name. Every day they light the flame. Service made with heart so true. Only Capella feels like you. Oh, Capella.
The Chao Phraya boat experience. Capella offers private boat transfers and curated cruises along the iconic Chao Phraya River. The ride is smooth, scenic, and filled with picture-perfect views of Bangkok's temples, historic districts, and modern skyline. The sunset cruise, in particular, is incredibly romantic and relaxing. It allows guests to see the city from a unique perspective, far from the traffic and noise. Events, weddings, and celebrations. Capella Bangkok is also a sought-after venue for intimate luxury weddings and private celebrations. Their Riverside event spaces are beautifully designed, combining natural light with artistic decor. The wedding planning team is known for creating flawless celebrations filled with elegance and emotional detail. Service quality. What makes Capella truly the best? At Capella, luxury is not about extravagance. It is about care, attention, and emotional connection. The staff remember your preferences, anticipate your needs, and deliver everything with sincerity. This personalized approach is the core reason why Capella Bangkok is consistently ranked among the best hotels in the world. The location are peaceful yet connected. Although Capella offers a peaceful escape, it is still conveniently connected to many of Bangkok's top attractions. Icon Siam, Asiatique, Wat Arun, and the Grand Palace are all easily accessible. This balance of isolation and convenience makes Capella ideal for both leisure and exploration.
You're a dream so bright, where every corner warms the soul with quiet light. In your beauty shines a melody from afar, and singing through it gently is simple Bappa, our star. By the pool at sundown's kiss.
Friends, I hope you enjoyed this detailed tour of Capella Bangkok, one of the world's most extraordinary luxury hotels. If this video helped you or inspired you, please make sure to like, comment, and share. And if you love honest travel insights, hotel tours, and luxury experiences, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Simple Bappa signing off. See you soon in the next video. Take care and keep exploring.
This hotel will stay with me.